Last year, I decided to get a Japanese driver's license. My old license had expired, and I could not transfer it directly. The easiest way was to go to a driving school. I had driven in Japan before, many years ago, but that was a long time ago. I needed to start fresh. I found a driving school that offered English instruction. That was a big help. I understood the rules more clearly. The school was very organized. Everything had a schedule and a process. I was surprised by how smooth it was. I went to class every day. I could choose my own schedule, so I finished in about 1 month. That was faster than most students. I passed all the courses at the school. Then I went to the police department for the final written test. I passed that too. I had my new license, but there was one more thing. I had to put a special sticker on my car. In Japan, new drivers must display a Wakaba mark. It is a small green and yellow leaf sticker. It goes on the front and back of the car. I am not a young driver. I have driven for over 40 years, but I was new in Japan's system, so I needed the mark. I felt a little embarrassed at first. I stopped at a red light and saw other drivers looking at my car. I drove carefully for 1 year. The mark stayed on my car. I got used to it slowly. Then the day came. I could remove the Wakaba mark. I peeled it off and held it in my hand for a moment. It was a small thing, but it felt good. Now, the Wakaba mark hangs on my front door. It reminds me of the experience. It also reminds me to drive safely when I leave the house.